Hi YC, I'm Yoon.
And I'm Jein. We've been building together for 10 years.
Frontline teams, logistics, construction, and manufacturing coordinate through WhatsApp.
But every message requires manual follow-up, creating tasks, assigning people, and tracking progress in Excel.
This manual copy-paste is chaos. Valuable data is wasted. Critical tasks get lost.
And this gap kills their margins.
So we built MAKi. It bridges the gap between chat and execution, turning conversations into action.
When a manager texts get proposal by Friday or install AC at building number 7 by 2 p.m.,
MAKi captures the task, assigns, and executes instantly.
For example, our first enterprise customer, a logistics company, signed a $160,000 contract.
When their major text turn number 5 to port, MAKi handles everything.
After 3 weeks, they are on track to boost their margin from 10 to 30%.
We are building the OS for the billion of workers that Slack forgot.
5 companies, logistics, design, B2B SaaS, and e-commerce, already run on MAKi every day.
And we are ready to scale with YC.
Thank you.
Thank you.
감사합니다.